Hey, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a holiday glam sort of eye. And then after, I'm going to do a separate video of how to use, where did I just put them? The magnetic lashes. Sorry. These babies that I got. So I'm going to show you how to use those and how to get tips and tricks, so I'll separate that. I'll put that in a separate video. So basically I'm just started with my foundation, my contour, my eyebrows, all that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna go in with some Revlon eyeshadow primer. So we're gonna start with that. Always do primer on your eyes. It makes a big difference. I will be using today the Stila Eyes Are the Window Shadow Palette in Soul. I think this was discontinued. I did get it a couple of years ago, and I do really like the colors in it. So it was probably discontinued, but I'm just kind of using whatever I have. So I always try to use like newer things or things that are new in store or out and still available, but sometimes I just have kind of what I have on hand, as my budget is currently limited. So I just, if it's something that is discontinued and you can't get it, just as long as you have something similar to the color that you can find or that you have at home already, just kind of use what you got. So I'm gonna go in with this all over eyeshadow brush, and yes, like I've mentioned before in my videos, my brushes are pretty old and rough. I need to clean them actually right now, but they're kind of, some of them are like falling apart, but this is one of my favorites. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with a light shade. So because I want like holiday glam, I'm gonna use more glittery kind of shades. And the first one's pretty matte, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go with this one here that I've clearly used a lot. And that one I think is called Character. I'm not really sure. It's either called Character or Kitten, because I don't know which way the map on the back is. I'm not really sure. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with that one. It has a bit of a shimmer. And we're gonna go from the inner eye all the way up in the brow bone. Okay, now I'm going to switch brushes. Let's see. Something like this, kind of a flat brush like this. These are brushes like whatever I have. I know the first one I used was an old Quo version of their old version of brushes. This was a Quo limited edition. So I do have random brushes. I have some Liz Watier. I think I have mostly Quo, to be honest. Most of mine are Quo brushes. Okay, so now what do I want to do? I think I'm gonna go in with like this shimmery gold color over here and then go something darker. So I'm gonna do this shimmery gold right in the corner. So you can see, I know it's hard to see, it reflects, but that is the color I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna go across the eyelid with this. So right across the eyelid. I actually like these palettes because the mirrors in them are really nice and big. I can use the mirror in here to see what I'm doing. I'm pretty blind without my glasses, so usually I have to be right up to the mirror. The mirror that I have that lights up that I use every day, I'm so close to it. And I just bought this other mirror. So I have two mirrors in front of me right now, and this one. It's funny. But this one, I like the size of this. This is because some of the palettes, it's so small, the mirror. It's like useless. Anyway, so I'm going right across the eyelid right into the crease with this color and just kind of blending it. So see, I don't know how good you can see with my camera, but now what I want to do is I want to use a crease brush, but something that gives deposits a bit more color. So I'm gonna go again, one of the old version of the Quo crease brushes. And now I'm gonna go with a bit of a darker shade. Ooh, I wanted to do that. I forgot I wanted to use that color too. You know what, that's what I'm gonna do. Instead of using a color in this palette, I'm gonna mix it up. And I'm going to use this NYX color. This actually, I really enjoy this color, especially around the holidays. I find it, I don't know, it's really nice. So this is called Fireball. It's by NYX. It's one of their single colors. So I've used that quite a bit. So I'm going to take some of this instead, and I'm going to go in the crease with this. Shadow always looks crazy when it's not done, I find. When it's not complete. Okay, so we're done with that for now. We might use that color again, but right now I'm going to use a different brush if I can find it. This one I want to use later. Ah, here it is. I already pulled it out. That's why I can't find it. So this is another limited edition Quo brush. It's like a blending brush. So, but the bristles are a bit more fluffy and separated, so it's easier to blend. So now I want to go in with a bit of a darker color. I'm gonna go with this dark, glittery, browny red color. It looks like there's some dark brown in it and some red glitter. So I'm gonna go in with that one. And I'm gonna now put that into the crease. I always start right here in the corner, especially with dark colors, because you don't want to put too much on. Now that I have the basic eyeshadow, I like to go in with the all over brush I used for the light shade in the beginning. I always keep it out because I like to just make sure to blend here, because we've used some pretty bright colors. So you want to make sure it's well blended. See, like, look at this. This blended. Look at this. It's like it's weird. So I just kind of go back in, and I don't put more product on. I just use the brush as is because it already still has some leftover product on it. And you blend it out. And you make those edges a lot softer. See? Okay. So what I want to do now is I'm going to get one of my favorite brushes. So this is one of my favorite brushes. It's actually a unique brush that I got once upon a time. It's the crease brush by Unique. I don't even know if they still make it anymore, but it's like a really short, where's the camera? Short bristle brush here. I like it to do under the eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that NYX color again that we had, and I'm using that for under the eyes. So we're gonna gently take it. Like that. It's just a really soft brush. See? To the other side. Okay, so now that we got the red under the eyes, I'm done with that color. I'm gonna go back in with that dark glittery color and do that just on the outside. And then I'm gonna use the same brush, but just kind of wipe it off. Yeah, see, without the top, I look funny. And go back in with the lightest color that we used here and do the same thing just on the inner corners of the eye. Just like that. Okay. I am going to take this eyeliner pencil. It's waterproof. It's by Rimmel. It is called Nude. Waterproof eyeliner pencil. It's one of those soft ones. So I'm going to take that one and just do the waterline. There we go. Now what I want to do for the fun part. So I have these favorite glitter eyeshadows by Pixi. What are they called? The Shadow Liquid Fairy Lights. I love these, and I have this color, and it had like a goldy kind of greeny color. I can't find it for the life of me. I opened my drawer and I searched everywhere, took everything out. I can't find it. So I have this one instead. This was a limited edition quote, and I don't like it as much as the Pixi ones. The Pixi ones I really do prefer, but this is what I have right now in gold. So I'm using the quote one in gold for the look, but I would recommend using Pixi. So this, what I'm gonna do, this is the extra glitter bling bling. So I'm going to put this just kind of on the lid in the center, almost where we already have that gold eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna go ahead. And this is whatever I had. I just use whatever I have most of the time, because makeup is expensive. So as long as you have something like it, like you don't have to use exactly the same products I have. Use whatever you have at home. If you don't have it, you want to get it, you know, go get it then. That's cool. But I would recommend the Pixi one over this one, and I don't think they make this one anyways. It was a limited edition. But anything, even if you don't get Pixi, you get something else. I think Liz Wattier and Stila have their glitter eyeshadows that are really nice too. Well, Liz Wattier is the liner, but anything, whatever you want. So see, I'm just going right on top of where we already placed the gold. I'm not going in the crease, just on the lid. And it gives you that extra glam, the extra glitter. Okay, so before I do my liner and my magnetic lashes, mascara I've been using right now for my bottom lashes is the CoverGirl Total Tease. This one here, this is the one that I've been using. The reason why, the brush is very different, it's very unique. It's one side has bristles, the other side has this little hooky bristle for like baby lashes. So I use this one, I find just underneath like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I'm gonna go put my lashes on and I'll come back and show you the finished look. And well, I'm gonna do my lip too. So lashes, come back, lip, and then you'll see the final look. I am back with my beautiful magnetic lashes on. These are the second most glamorous ones I have. I was putting the bigger ones on, but they just looked too much. So these are more than enough. So I didn't, in that video, I show you how to put them on and I say you can do liquid liner. I didn't want to do a liquid liner. I'm just gonna leave my eyes the way they are, but I am gonna finish this look with a lip. So, I'm going to use, do I even want to use this? No. I'm going to use, make sure I have no foundation on my lip. So that always happens. And then it just doesn't stay as good. So I'm going to use one of my favorite lip products, which is the Stila Stay All Day Lip in liquid. This one is called Serenata. This one I bought in the collection of the 3 colors, which one has my favorite color, which is Perla. And then there's Bocce, which I'm really liking. And then this one is a bit darker. I find these ones dry darker than they like look in the tube, or when you go put them on, they dry a little darker. But they do last long. These and the Maybelline Matte Ink are my favorite. So anyways, I'm gonna go on with this one. Fine with the Stila liquids and Maybelline, I don't need a lip liner. So there we go. There you have it. So it's a bit of a nude kind of brown lip color. It's so hard to tell in this lighting. Guys, honestly, if you like my channel and you follow my channel, it really helps because hopefully I'll be able to upgrade some lighting and stuff in the future for you so that you can see everything better. But this is the lip color. There's my eyes. I don't know if you can see it. It's hard to tell. I'm going to take pictures for you guys anyway so you can have a better look-see. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and follow me on all social platforms at Angela Alonzi.